Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a foolproof step-by-step guide on how to fill out and sign a document using DocuSign in 2025. Whether you're signing a business contract, a rental agreement, or any kind of legal document, by the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently complete the entire process without missing a thing. Let's dive right in. Accessing DocuSign first. Open your preferred web browser and head over to docusign.com. On the top right corner, you'll see the login button. Click it, enter your username and password. If you're brand new, don't worry, just hit sign up and create a free account. It only takes a minute. Navigating the dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your DocuSign dashboard. This is your command center for all things documents. On the left-hand side, look for agreements. Click it and you'll see different tabs like Inbox, Sent, and Drafts. These keep everything organized. Locating the document you need under Agreements, head into your inbox. This is your digital mailbox where all documents needing your attention will appear. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the exact file you need to sign or fill out. Filling and signing the document, click on the document to open it. You'll immediately notice highlighted areas showing where you need to take action. Look for the sign button. It's usually clearly marked. Clicking it will guide you to place your electronic signature exactly where it belongs. DocuSign may also highlight other fields, like where you need to initial or add extra information. Take your time to carefully review each page so you don't miss any mandatory fields. Finalizing everything. After you've added all signatures and filled in any required details, give the entire document a final review. Double-check names, dates, and any important clauses. When you're sure everything is correct, click Finish or Submit. Your document is now securely filled out, signed, and automatically sent back to the sender or stored in your DocuSign account for safekeeping. And that's it. You've successfully filled out and signed a document in DocuSign, the easy way for 2025. No printing, scanning, or mailing required. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy signing.